been holding me back.
Hello everybody, today I'm going to do another tutorial video. This time it's going to be how to add embed messages on Discord. So if this helped you, please consider subscribing. It's free, you can always change your mind. And yeah, if it didn't help you then you don't have to subscribe, but I'll appreciate if you do. Anyways, let's get started. So I'm back at my test server and on my max is alt. So, as you can see back, I didn't delete these messages when I did the how to add reaction roles. I did this. So now I'm gonna add a new channel. So I'm just gonna name it Embed. Alright. So now you gotta go to edit channel and go to integrations. As you can see over here, webhooks. You gotta create a webhook, and you could name your webhook whatever you want. You could change the profile. I'm just gonna use SpideyBot for now. So first, what you want to do is copy the webhook URL. So once you click that, it's copied. So now you open a new tab, and you go to the first link in the description, which is discohook.org, and then it will take you to this website. Now first, you have to actually, I like to clear all of these before I actually type in my message, so it's clear. So first of all, you need the webhook URL right here. You need to paste it in. So now, as you can see, this is the preview. So it says SpideyBot now, and you could do a message link if you want, but I don't do message links often. So now, if you wanted to have like no embed, which just the webhook says it, you would type in the content. You could type a username, avatar, URL, files. So what I like to do to send embed messages is to click add embed, and as you can see, this pops up. So let's click on the embed, click on body, and now you could type the title of the embed. So let's just do embed 1. As you can see, this is the preview, description. This is the embed. I'll just do that for now, but you could type anything you want. You could change the color also down here. You could click it and then you would use the slider to get colors, and I'll just keep it blue, since blue is my favorite color. So once you click out of that, and then you could also put images in. So you could find like image URLs and then paste it in, and then you have the image on the embed. You could also have fields. I don't know what fields are. Okay. Anyways, you could add more embeds like that. You could add more embeds, like whatever. I'll just keep one embed for now. And that's pretty much it. So once you think you're ready, you could press send, and if you see here, this is the embed. So it sends the message in the channel. And let's do it again. Look, it's sent. It's sent. So I still have the code about here, by the way. Okay. Anyways, that's all you need to do to send embed messages. I hope you enjoy this video, and see you guys next time.